Today we have two cars in here. This one we use regular and it's a bit dirty. Right now it's winter in Sweden and the car gets dirty immediately. I want to have this garage dust free. It's a lot of dust in here if you look around. So we're gonna do cleaning on this one, just to get all the dust off the garage and take some of the dirt off this one. Now I have put everything away and can start cleaning the car. One other thing, I will show you the skirts here. When I made this car for a couple of years ago, I had the rubber gasket over here. If you see it like this, you have this thing between here. And the rubber gasket was going up all the way up here. Here you can see the red color is against the body, but here we have a gap all the way. It seems like this maybe can go higher up. I don't know exactly what's happened here because this seems to fit very bad. Maybe they have done some repair that's not okay over here. What do you think I should do here? Should I try to repair it to get a perfect fit here? And how will I do that? How do I get a perfect fit? Or should I go for a rubber gasket again? I want to build it in fiberglass, I think, because this is fiberglass. How do I build it to get the first perfect fit? Do you have some suggestion how I do this? This I probably can get better. How do I get this to much better? The next step is probably to put these brackets back on the bumper. They should be somewhere around here. I don't know exactly where they go, but somewhere around here and here. So we have to figure it out how to get them in the right position. But I think we will wait with that. We will start checking on the rear bumper and see if we have to do some fiberglass work there. Then it's easier to do this fiberglass work at the same time. So let's remove the rear bumper. Let's see how we remove all this. I think we have to start with this one. We have some screws down here, I think. Don't remember. We have to remove all this. We'll just pull it aside. We are further out. And in the next compartment. Flashlight. They're not the right screws either. It should be similar to the front bumper, but it's not. Surprise, surprise. Why have they done that? Should we remove everything? There is no battery in the car right now, so this is safe. I don't think I need to remove this at all. Yes. Put it here, inside. The upper one should be no problem. This one and this one. I'll take this set. On the other side. Let's see what we got here. It's not so bad at all. Not so bad at all. This is the right stuff. But not on the other side. It looks like it's not repaired at all. I think everything looks really good. Not here. Here we have some damage. Yes. Here we have something to work on. What happened here? I don't know. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.